it's sold out. Ang talaga, kaya nga hindi nakakatawa na naging 4 weeks na this time sa non-activities. Pero kumusta naman yung budget? Kumusta yung support? Kasi syempre naman natin sa mga nangyayari, mga nag-slash na budget. O mas tumutulong ba sa private sector o tulong din na sa gobyerno, sa arts and so?
Maraming salamat po sa tanong. Makakasagot po din. Sir James Manasiga and Miss Katie.
Yes, Sir Derek.
Ang Virgin Lab Fest ay tinuturing na ng CCA na isa sa mga centerpiece. So, ito yung na sinitiyak namin na merong budget taon-taon. Tapos, totoo na may mga budget cuts. And in fact, kailangan mag-defend ni President K. Bakit mo ganito? Pwede bang ganito to? So talagang dumadaan yan. But in the end, ang objective and ultimate aim is to make sure that it retains its strengths, its identity. So yung mga naghihirap sa aming mga production managers, pag sinabihan ko sila, ito disapprove ng budget, ito. But I think primarily the whole point of the festival is we need to work with what is there. Sa simulat sa pool, yung first festival, walang budget yun. Si Roddy at saka si Herbie, nagkahanap Pilipino, humingi lang ng venue sa CCP. Wala talagang budget yun. So the whole spirit of that, but of course, being with the CCP, we try to make sure that we're supposed to be the first one to professionalize. No? But to admit to you, none of these playwrights or none of these actors are getting paid what they're worth. No? But the whole idea is that we want to come together in the service of the playwrights. So that's the objective of this festival. That's why, sabi ko kanina, we're trying to find ways also to make sure that the playwrights come out of it. Hindi man sila nabayaran ng tama dito, na out of the work that they did, there's still going to be residuals from whatever royalties if there are other productions. At the same time, we're also expanding and getting support from the private sector. And then I don't know if I will be booed today and pilloried, but we were just talking about it, President K. Yung in-announce kanina na launching of the Virgin Lab Fest 5, that actually became possible first because the writer's block already finished the work in the book. And then nag-volunteer yung isang senador, I want to support Virgin Lab Fest, and we put the money into the publication of the book. Tanong niyo naman sa akin kung sino ang sinabi ko. Mamaya mabagko ko. It's actually she's the chair of the Senate Committee on Culture. Yes, and she volunteered. She said, I want to help the Virgin Lab Fest. And she said, Sibo, we published the 5th book because it's overdue. And she said, okay. And to be honest, I think, of course, we have to invite her, and I think her office confirmed that she might be here for the launching of the book. So we do get that support. We try to get that support from government, also from the private sector. Si Gemma, I was just talking to Ross, our marketing person. Sabi niya, there are other sponsors who are coming in either as show buyers or as partners in some way. So yes, the budget actually remained the same as last year. May konting increase because we went to the 4 weeks. But we are intent on keeping the Virgin Lab Fest as part of the CCP artistic programs.
Escape, I think it's
Can I answer that? Actually, that's a great question because you're all here right now to support Virgin Lab Fest. And like what VP Dennis was saying, it's because of the articles you've written, the press, all of these things, which is what enabled us to get even the budget for Virgin Lab Fest. As you know, whenever it's budget time, anybody who's ever watched budget hearings, you know we're always the first to pick up arts and culture first. So that's why it's very important for you to amplify the voices of our playwrights, our directors, because this is what enables the CCP to exist. So we are here to ask for your help and your support.
Salamat.